Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. In this week tutorial, I want to share with you a quick tip on what you can do if Norton antivirus has blocked or blacklisted your website. So whenever you or your customers see this notification when you are visiting your own website, it means that Norton antivirus program has blacklisted your website temporarily. And this may mean that your website contains malware or it may not contain malware. So it means false detection. So I'm going to show you the ways how to find out if it's really false detection and what you can do. So upon finding out that your website is blocked by Norton antivirus, the first thing you need to do is go to Security, Site Scan, enter your URL and click Submit. And you will see something like that. If let's say it says no malware found, website is not blacklisted, means your website is clean. And also you can go into your Google Search Console account, go to your domain name, and under that you will see there's a security issue. Click on that. And if Google tell you there's no issue detected, it means that your website is clean. So what you need to do is screenshot this security issue page and screenshot this security site scan page and go to Norton website, enter your URL here and click. So for example, this is my URL, I click search. Okay, so if your website is blocked by Norton, it will say that it has a warning or unsafe. So in that case, then you need to submit dispute and enter your comment saying that both Google and Security does not detect any malware in my website, and you can list down, you can link to the screenshot that you taken, which is this one and this one. And within a few days, Norton should be able to remove the blacklist warning when people visit your website. So that's how it works. So in case if security detected some issue and Search Console also show you what are the issue, then you will need to fix those issues first and then submit the dispute in Norton. Okay, so this is how you can approach the way if you find that your website is being blacklisted by Norton antivirus. So I hope that you find this tip useful. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the questions area below. I thank you for watching this video.